In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to request refund from Dhgate 2025, step by step. Let's start by opening your Dhgate account and heading to My Orders. Select the order you're having issues with, then look for the buyer protection countdown. This timer matters. If the remaining days are low, don't wait. Submit a dispute right away so your claim stays protected. Buyer protection is your safety net, while Dhgate holds funds in escrow. So acting before it expires keeps Dhgate involved and gives you the best chance of a smooth refund. Next, decide which refund path fits your situation. Refund only is the most common choice. Use it if the item arrived damaged, not as described, the wrong product was sent, or it never showed up at all. Return and refund is more specific and should be used only when the seller asks you to send the item back and Dhgate approves that return. Shipping items back can be costly and slow, so if you don't have clear approval, stick with refund only. Now open the dispute. Go back to My Orders, open the specific order, and click Open Dispute. Choose either refund only or return and refund based on what we just covered. Select the reason that matches your case. Then upload clear photos or videos that prove the issue. Think close-ups of damage, full shots of the item, packaging, labels, and any size or color mismatches. Keep files legible and well lit. Add a short, factual explanation and submit. Once you do, your refund request is officially in motion. After you submit, keep all communication inside Dhgate. The seller may propose a partial refund, a replacement, or a full refund. Negotiate politely but stay firm about the evidence. Keep messages concise and avoid moving the conversation off platform. Most importantly, do not close the dispute until the refund has actually arrived in your account. If you can't reach an agreement, ask Dhgate to step in by requesting mediation. Dhgate will review your evidence, the shipment tracking, and the message history, then make a final decision. This review typically takes 3 to 7 business days, so keep an eye on your notifications and respond quickly if more information is requested. Once approved, your order will show refund processing. Funds go back to your original payment method or to your Dhgate wallet, depending on what you used at checkout. Card refunds usually post within 5 to 15 business days, while wallet refunds tend to land faster. Keep monitoring the status, and if your bank needs extra time to post the credit, give it a few days. That's it. You've successfully navigated a Dhgate refund from start to finish.